Welcome to the Crafty Flamingo. Do you have a bunch of scrap yarn lying around? Same here. Let's put it to work with some fun, easy crochet patterns that are perfect for leftover bits. Don't let leftover yarn go to waste. Let's get crafty. Scrap yarn isn't trash, it's treasure. Here are some awesome patterns to use every last inch. Turn your leftover yarn into cute granny squares. First up, the classic granny square. These are perfect for mixing and matching colors, no matter the yarn, weight, or length. You can stitch them into blankets, even funky jackets. You can also create fabulous striped scarves. Try a striped scarf. Just switch up the colors every few rows. The more chaotic the colors, the cooler it looks. You can totally create awesome coasters from scrap yarn. Coasters are awesome, quick projects. They're super fun to make. They're fast, functional, and make great gifts. Who doesn't adore flowers? You can even crochet them. Crochet flowers are super adorable. And another fun way to use tiny scraps. You can sew them onto hats, headbands, or make a bouquet. Crochet some fun little balls with that leftover yarn. Do you have lots of really small pieces? Tie them together to make a magic ball, and then use it to make a colorful scrap blanket or shawl. It's like a surprise in every row. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't stress about colors. Scrap projects are all about fun and uniqueness, so don't let those scraps sit there. Turn them into something extraordinary. What project are you diving into first? Share it in the comments, and don't forget to like and follow for more crafty ideas.